So I just finished my echocardiogram. If you guys remember last month or the month before, I confided in you guys and let you guys know. First of all, so many of you guys over the years of me being on social media, especially on YouTube, have commented and said that it always sounds like I'm out of breath and it always sounds like I just like worked out while I'm talking. And it's true. I can never catch my breath and I'm always out of breath. So I am always out of breath, you guys. I have chest pains. I have like stabbing chest pains. I couldn't do sports in middle school or high school for too long because I was always the fastest runner, the fastest swimmer, the quickest on my feet, but I couldn't go for long distances. So like I was the fastest swimmer, but right after I would swim a lap and beat everyone, I couldn't do another lap. So I always told myself if I ever did running, I would do track and I wouldn't be able to do cross country, because cross country is longevity running and I cannot do that. I have heart palpitations all the time. I sweat at random times. A lot of the things that I feel like my dad went through, I go through. And just to give you guys a little backstory on why I'm getting an echocardiogram, or why I had an echocardiogram, is because my grandma died at a very young age. My dad's mom, from, I think she was 55 or 60, she died from heart disease. And my dad died when he was 42. When I was 17, he died of a massive heart attack. My brother was diagnosed when he was 13 with heart disease, and about 10 years ago he got a heart stunt or something in his heart. So recently my oldest son, Kaney, went to the doctor. He's been going to these appointments trying to figure out what's wrong with him. And when he was born, he had a hole in his heart, and I remember the doctor told me not to worry about it. They said it would close up on its own. But 20 years later, he's been diagnosed with heart disease. So his doctor told my mom, when my mom took him to the hospital, to the doctor appointment, his doctor said, make sure his parents get checked. Make sure the mom and the dad get checked. Dad cannot get checked because he passed away. So they said, make sure that I get checked, because someone has something. That's why your son has this. So I'm here today. I went to a new doctor and I told her all my symptoms. She FaceTimed with my mom. The best doctor, this doctor is amazing. She listened to me. She sat down with me. She talked to me like I am human, and she really empathized with every little problem that I've ever had in my life. She FaceTimed with my mom. My mom told her all of the heart conditions that are in our family, everyone who's died, that my son has heart disease, my brother has heart disease, my dad died of heart disease, and his mom, my grandma, died of heart disease also. So the doctor was like, we're getting you checked right away. Like, we're going to get you an echocardiogram. And I did it today. So I don't know how I feel. I don't know. I mean, I feel like I'm nervous. I feel like I have anxiety. I feel like for all these years, I've almost known that something was wrong. So I feel like I'm going to be getting answers. I don't want there to be something wrong, but I've always felt like there is something wrong. And I'm going to get answers. So I'm excited. I'm nervous. I'm anxious. I'm all of the above. And I'm just all of the above, literally. So I'm getting on the highway right now. I will chat with you guys in a little bit. There is a massive traffic pileup. So we are here at the light. I'm just sitting here at the light. I don't know what happened. I hope everyone's okay. So just to continue my chatty chat is, yeah, I had my echocardiogram, you guys. So the last couple of days, the last week or so, I've really been pumping out the vlogs. I hope you guys have been enjoying them. I have a closet organization coming up, a morning and a bedtime routine coming up, and a balcony makeover for spring coming up, you guys. A spring balcony makeover. I'm so excited. I ordered a few new things on Amazon. Everything's linkable. I'm so excited just to get you guys seeing what my balcony looks like, get you guys some motivation. I'll show you guys when I get home. So lots of good content coming up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you aren't already. I would love to have you part of our little YouTube family. If you're wondering where the kids are, Marcus has Maxwell, and I think he's going to take his son and his daughters maybe out to play or something. It's a really beautiful day out, so I think they were going to go to the park. And then my best friend Ashley has shook Layla and Sophia, so I'm kid-free. I have not had caffeine all day today because of my echocardiogram. I didn't want to have like my heartbeat racing while they were doing the test or anything, or them to get like false alarms or anything. So I just didn't drink any caffeine, and it's 4 o'clock. My appointment was at 3. I've been so slow all day today. I've been like sluggish, not feeling good. I feel like I'm withdrawing from caffeine. It's so bad. Like, I need my caffeine. If I do have any type of heart issues or heart problems, I'm definitely going to cut back on caffeine, or just eliminate it altogether for the health, my own health. We switched gyms recently. We switched from Kennewick. We live in Pasco. We live in West Pasco. And my gym that I used to go to with the pool and all the fun amenities and stuff that the kids would swim at, and we would have like, it looked like it's just beautiful there. That's all the way in Kennewick. That's all the way in another city. So I felt like for the amount that I was paying, it was $200 a month. I wasn't utilizing it as much as I should have for what I was paying, because it is so far away. So I switched from that gym to another gym that has the same amenities, except for they don't have an outdoor swimming park, but that's okay. It's closer to my house. It's 1 minute away. It's about 2 minutes away. We could walk there in the summertime. I could just take my stroller and walk there, but it's called Life Quest, and it's amazing. I love it. I've been working out, and Maxwell and the girls have been going to daycare in there. There's a gymnastics, like a tumbling tots, that I'm going to start taking Maxwell to on Thursdays. I'm super excited about that, to get him into that and get his body working out and stretching, get him used to things like that. And the girls love swimming there. Maxwell loves swimming. He went swimming yesterday for his first time. So I'm almost home, but what I am doing right now is going to Yolks to go and get my my caffeine, and then I'm gonna get some water. Never mind, I have water right here. There is a car accident. Oh no. Okay, so I'm going to Yolks. Oh my gosh, it was a bus that was involved. A city bus. Dang. I hope everyone's okay. Okay, so what is going on? Oh my god, it's not the bus. It looks like a standoff or something. OMG. That looks scary. I'm gonna get my caffeine from Yolks, and then I will jump back on with you guys when I get home. Ashley and the girls and her son Bronze are supposed to be at my house. We're supposed to be getting... I got a new keychain. I got this keychain from Hobby Lobby this weekend, but I got this super cute keychain for $4.29 at Hobby Lobby. I got my coffee, my Italian soda, and the girls have been wanting zuppa toscana, so I'm gonna make some of that. for dinner. Idaho potatoes. We need some sausage. Let's go with some Italian mild sausage. Actually, I'll do mild and a sweet, all natural. After I got back from my echocardiogram and meeting up with Ashley and the kids, we did end up going swimming at the new gym, so we did not end up making the zuppa toscana. I am gonna make it in my next vlog, but you guys see all the ingredients you need for it, plus chicken stock and fresh kale, which I already had. Okay, super quick grocery haul. I got some corn dogs. This is all from Yolks, where I just went. I got some corn dogs, some baby carrots, some potatoes for the zuppa toscana. Hold on, honey. Some Simply Fruit Punch. I don't normally buy this, but I knew the kids were going to be thirsty, so some heavy whipping cream, some Pediasure. Maxwell and the kids like to drink this sometimes. Some artisanal bread, some cookie dough, chocolate chip cookie dough to make with the chick sugar cookies and the bunny sugar cookies, something that I saw on Instagram that I want to try out. I got all the kids Lunchables in bronzes here, so I got 4 of them and they're all kind of digging into them right now. I got 2 teriyaki beef for Sophia tomorrow for lunch because she's going to be home with me, and then a sweet Italian sausage and a mild Italian sausage for the zuppa toscana tomorrow. Super small grocery haul. I got a couple of packages today that I wanted you guys to see. For my porch makeover, my balcony makeover, I got my chairs, my lounger chairs, my table. I got an umbrella for out here. I got some cushions. You guys, I'm so excited. It is such a mess out here. I cannot wait. I think I'm gonna do the makeover video this Friday. If all goes well and I get everything in the mail, I think I'm gonna do it Friday and it'll be available on Sunday for you guys. The patio chairs, these are like wicker, tan wicker. And then I thought the padding was gonna be white, but I guess I don't know if I really like that, but I can put some other outdoor pillows on them. So I'm excited. There's the legs, the umbrella. This is all gonna be different out here. I'm gonna keep this patio set. And then I'm gonna have the 3-piece with the table right over there in that corner. So super excited to get this going.